So first things first, we've got Shibarium, but what's next? We've got the metaverse, and not a lot of people may be talking about this one, Austin, but the metaverse is scheduled to probably roll out at some point in some form or fashion in 2024. It's going to take a while, but it's not something that's often talked about. And here's the thing, nobody's really come in and created this dominant metaverse yet in the cryptocurrency environment. We've got a few out there, Sandbox and Decentraland, that have been around, but Shiba Inu has a massive community, a bigger community than both of these crypto projects. So a lot of opportunity here for SHIB.
Yeah, I think you and I have talked a lot about this. They've got to get it right, and they will get it right. I think, however you feel about Shiba Eternity, they got it right. It was a good game, well accepted by, and their goal was to bring people inside bring people who were not crypto people. So they had to create a good game, and I think there's a similar vein running in the metaverse and Shiba Inu's metaverse. Of course, the community will be there first, but they want to create something that is a very immersive, good, great user experience. And I know you want to touch on e-commerce, which I will let you definitely take the lead on that. But I think they'll get it right. I think they will. And last note on that is that they will wait. It will not be rushed. You know, they've shown that they're not going to rush with Shibarium, their layer 2 blockchain, et cetera. So that's my 2 cents.
Real quick, you just made me think of something, and then we'll talk about the e-commerce side too. But with Shiba Eternity, that is not a game that's like, created once and then that version is forever the only version you get. Don't be surprised if they bring Shiba Eternity into the metaverse and really expand that game when the metaverse does come out. Of course, Shibarium, as you mentioned, ties in everything as well with Bone and Leash. Also the Shiboshis, the NFTs as well. But in terms of the e-commerce side, this really allows for future companies to come in to the SHIB ecosystem. Again, those outside players to sell their products, sell their services in the metaverse. And I think, again, it grows the brand of Shiba Inu as a whole. And I don't know exactly what their plans are for the metaverse. We've talked to Marcy. We've heard her talk a few different times. But that is a big focal point, the e-commerce side, and making sure that it's a place where other companies want to come in and take advantage of this ecosystem that has 1.2 million holders. And who knows where it'll be by, when the metaverse is actually ready to roll out. We could be sitting at 2 million holders, 3 million holders, right?
Yeah, a couple more bull runs, and we absolutely will be.
Yeah.
I think that's what it really comes down to, man. I think it's going to be the metaverse is a massively important component of the ecosystem on multiple fronts, right? They needed to have it. They're building it. They're spending millions. We don't know the exact number, but it's millions. They're spending probably millions to build it. And it's going to be done well. I think final thought here, I mean, kind of talking about more the macro view of metaverses. It's an extremely fragmented market, right? You mentioned, you mentioned Decentraland and those guys, and all of them have their different looks and their different feels. And there's probably, I don't even know how many metaverses there are out there, 30, 40. I couldn't even tell you, and oh, by the way, Facebook's, their whole thing that they're coming out with. That's what's going to be, to me, the interesting thing is that, am I going to be really jumping? Okay, I'm going into SHIBs to, now, and 3 hours from now, I'm going to go over into the Facebooks. It's just, that's where it's interesting to me to see how that's going to play out,
I agree. And I think there's a lot of opportunity for one of these metaverses, and hopefully it's the SHIB metaverse, to really step up and be the one for the crypto community. I think there's still a lot of pieces to kind of fall here. And, Decentraland will probably still be here. Sandbox will as well, but infancy stages still with where the metaverse is and where it could be years to come. So
the marketing horsepower is there. I mean, and I'm talking about free marketing. I'm talking about the global media. If they do it right, they get it right, it has a really cool look and feel, and all the kind of the artwork we've seen says that it will be cool, that it could become the de facto crypto metaverse, if you will. It could, because I mean, I'm thinking, this is me thinking, I'm going, I don't know of any other major. It's not like Bitcoin's building a metaverse, or Ethereum, or Cardano.
Exactly.
So
this is the biggest crypto by market cap building a metaverse right now, here today.
It is. Wow. Zach, there's a video there later on.
Well, and this is why I wanted to make this video, because I mean,
Yeah.
the Sentinel and Sandbox are not small by any means, but they're
Right.
not as SHIB.
No, they're not. No, that's interesting. Wow, kind of cool.
So,
All right, take us home. We'll get us out of
all
here.
right, that's all we got. Let me know what you guys think. Let us know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Also, check out everything ClearCryptos is doing when you're looking for great DeFi companies building in the bear market. They just inked a huge partnership with USFCR. Can't wait to see what else is in store for 2023. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.